All right, here's a DM I got. Ask Constance. All right. Hi, Constance. I was wondering, how do I get your credit building book? You're an inspiration, and thank you for sharing your thoughts, ideas, knowledge, and experience with everyone. I truly appreciate you for that. You make me want to get moving forward with my passion sooner than later. Yay! I'm so glad that you're inspired by the information that I give you. All right, so how to get my credit books? They're on Amazon. Go to Amazon, just do a Google search for, or Amazon search for Constance Carter books, and you can get them that way. Or you can just go to my website, constancecarter.com, and there's a link on my website to go ahead and get my books, get access to my books. So I do also have, if you want a credit training program, I have a credit repair masterclass. Go to my website or go to mywealthroadmap.com. That is a comprehensive credit program that will give you all the information that you need about credit. And in fact, people have taken that information and they've started their own credit business with that, coupled with my other business program that's on my Wealth Roadmap as well. Check it out. I got a ton of information specifically for people who just want to better their lives. That's what it's all about for me. All right. Take care and God bless. And if you have any questions, send me a DM. I'm happy to answer them. Peace.